Hello, and there is a aeroplane gonna landing again. It's gonna be 4 minutes to landing in here. Yeah, it's gonna be 4 minutes to landing in here. Yeah, and we're going. Okay. Oh, wow. We're in the airport, and the last time I recording that the airports. Yeah, we in a airport. Yeah, and you, okay, let's go. Let's see the airplane. We're gonna wait first for 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Okay, and 4 minutes yeah, there we're gonna wait the airplane landing here for 4 minutes. Okay. Okay, let's wait first. Okay, we're gonna check the airplane. Oh, okay. Okay, let's wait. Okay, 4 minutes. 4 minutes. How much minutes left?
2 minutes.
Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, it's got 2 minutes left. Oh yeah.
Memang bigay lang.
Yeah. Yeah, but okay, let's wait. How many? It's about 2 minutes again. Yeah, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay. How much minutes left? Yeah, it's still 2 minutes. And yeah, it's a Singapore Airlines. And it was so good to be seeing some aeroplanes. Yeah, and aeroplanes. I think there is a Emirates in this place. Yeah, Emirates. Yeah, and Emirates, the Airbus A380. Yeah, I know about. And okay, it's 1 minute. It's 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. I am gonna show some airplanes. The Singapore. Okay. Bro, there is a flight radar. Yeah, flight radar. Let's. Where is it? Yeah, there is it. There is it. There is an airplane. I think it's Airbus A330 Neo, I think, or 737 800. Okay, let's just 1 minute, please. Just 1 minute. I am gonna wait for 1 minute. 1 minute, please. 1 minute. Okay. I think it's gonna come here. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it, guys? Where is it? Where is it? My mom checking the flight radar. What? Where is it? Oh, it's coming. I think it's coming. Bro, it's gonna come. Come. Okay, I'm gonna. Bro, look at that. Okay, let's. Where's the airplane? I hear the noise. Okay, it's gonna 2 minutes again. 2 minutes. It's far away a bit. It's far away. It's gonna far away again. Yeah, and I holding. Yeah, we're gonna wait. And we're gonna wait first. I'm gonna check the flight radar. Where is the flight radar? Oh yeah, there's a flight radar. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. What? 1 minute. Yeah. Okay, let's. Where's it? Where is it? Where is it? There she comes. There she comes. Bro, there she comes! There she comes! I see him! I see the aeroplane! There she comes! Bro, there she comes! There she comes! Bro, look at that! Okay, it's hiding behind the tree. It's hiding behind the tree, right? Bro! I love airplanes, bro. Okay, where is it? Where is it? Oh, there is it! There is it! Yeah. And... okay, where is it? Where is it? Bro! Bro! Look at that! Bro! Bro! Bro, that's so big! Bro, it's Airbus A330neo! That's right! Look at that!
Yeah.
Yeah, that's so cool! Okay, and that's the end of the video, and watch for part 3.